Fire escape engineers here. We're on South High Street in Columbus, Ohio, taking a look at this two-story unit. We are here to make sure the unit has been kept painted and is structurally sound in order to proceed by load testing or to certify with an opinion affidavit. At this time, the unit does not pass due to a number of issues, which we'll explore further here. As we can see, it's a single platform here on the second story. A bit further down, you can see there's been through wall loss of material on the platform, as well as inadequate paint coverage. Railings deformed, and we have anchors pulling out. Appear to have been repaired at some point in the past as well. Got another plate set on top, perhaps as a repair at some point, but that's got standing water on it, as you can see. And underneath, we'll get a quick shot here. Quite a bit of corrosion and compromise of the structural members there, angle and channel supporting that main platform. And as we work our way down, we can see, again, lack of paint coverage, surface corrosion on a number of the treads. We do have some evidence of standing water here and some corrosion delamination at that connection. Underneath, we've got similar conditions with the angles welded to the treads and stringers. At the base, we've got some overgrowth of the landscaping, just lack of maintenance. Similar underneath the unit, as you can see beyond the treads there. And underneath the unit, we can see a few things here. First, we've got some overgrowth, again, of the landscaping, as well as some structural concerns of the platform framing. We've got the section loss of the actual platform. The bolts anchoring the channel ledger to the building are withdrawing. And you can see a pretty evident gap there along at least half of the unit. We've got failed structural members. The angle is just separated completely, and pretty advanced corrosion on the majority of the platform here. And similar conditions as shown previously. We've got some more progressing internal corrosion of the tread clips. A little bit less so on the stringers. And to the base of the stairs.
Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.